Let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Yeah.
What do you like to talk about?
I do talk about some. I do talk about. I do talk about some jokes because it makes people happy and make people comfortable with people. So to answer of your question, I like jokes to.
No, the question is, what do you like to talk about? Well, it depends on my mood. Sometimes I would love to crack jokes with my friends. On the other hand, if I'm with my family member, then I talk about other relatives and other families. And especially when I am with my cousins, I like to talk about girls or anything like that. Okay. So this is what how you're going to answer the question. Yeah. Let's go on.
Have your discussion topics changed since you were a child?
Sorry.
Have your discussion topics changed since you were a
Topics,
child?
okay.
Say, when I was small, I used to talk about toys
Topic
and other things like the discussion topics.
discussion. Okay.
Yeah, what you used to discuss when you were small and now. So, have your
Uh,
discussion topics changed since you were a child? Do you understand the question? Yeah, in actual exam, you never know. They will ask you this question, and then your memory will work. You will recall the ideas from here. So,
When I was child, I used to talk about my studies and all of that stuff, but recently, right now, I don't talk about study a lot. I talk about sports
Good.
and all of that stuff.
good. So, to answer your
So,
question,
to
I would
answer.
say my discussion topics have changed tremendously. Something like that. One sentence conclusion. Let's go on.
Do you prefer to talk or listen?
I prefer to listen because when you listen something, you will talk about it. So to the answer of your question, I will prefer to listen, not to talk.
In your answer, there is only small portion of information and you're repeating the same words time and again. You make one sentence and then you repeat the same sentence. Okay, so you need to come up with a variety. Otherwise, you will get low bench score if you talk like this. Right? So what's the question?
Do you prefer to talk or listen?
Well, I prefer to listen. The first thing is I'm kind of introvert person and I don't like talking too much. On the other hand, I get confused and nervous when I have to talk. So I am a passive sort of person. Therefore, I would love to listen to other people. Got it? Something like this. It's not that one sentence and then the repetition of the same sentence. This is how you answer, and you need to practice a lot. And your English is good. You're not actually practicing. You're not giving proper time to IELTS. You're giving proper time to someone else or something else.
Something else.
Something else. Okay? Yeah. There are only two things in life. All right. Thank you.